Hello, I am Nakabayashi, an administrative scrivener. I specialize in applications for residency status to the Immigration Bureau and work as an administrative scrivener. Yes, at our office, we receive many inquiries on a daily basis, and today I would like to talk about international marriages. Yes, well, regarding the common inquiries we receive, many people want to obtain residency status for their spouse or partner because they have entered into an international marriage. Recently, we have seen a lot of cases where individuals applied on their own but were denied. So we receive many requests for reapplication. In order for a foreigner who is married to a Japanese national to live in Japan, they first need to obtain the spouse of a Japanese national visa. Yes, this is the case. Even if you apply in the form of a fiancé or with a small finger gesture, permission will not be granted. It is essential to complete the residency status registration before applying. Conversely, even if you register, there is a possibility that you may not receive the visa. There are cases where an application was submitted but ended up being denied. Yes, if we are registered as a couple but the visa is not issued, that would be the worst situation. Yes, even though we are married, we would not be able to live together in Japan. The reason for a denial is that the Immigration Bureau may reject the application during their examination. In Japan, the marriage procedures can generally be completed by gathering documents, but to obtain residency status approval from immigration, it is necessary to provide a detailed explanation of the actual marriage situation between the couple and the history of their relationship. Yes, the reason why it is necessary to explain this in such detail is that there are a significant number of fraudulent marriages. For visa purposes, well, this is often in the news and I think everyone has seen it. The residency status for a spouse is not a work visa for employment. Rather, it has no restrictions, allowing the individual to work in any job they like. Therefore, there are many cases of foreigners engaging in fraudulent marriages to apply for this residency status. As a result, detailed documentation is often required. Yes, in order to obtain a visa, we need to clearly prepare documentation to demonstrate that our marriage is a genuine one and not a fraudulent marriage. It is important to prove this ourselves. If this explanation is insufficient, even if it is a real marriage and not a fraudulent one, it could still be denied. This is a characteristic of the residency status for the spouse of a Japanese national visa. This is not about discrimination, but I believe that when it comes to marriages involving individuals from Asia, the scrutiny is significantly stricter compared to those marrying Westerners. I think this is due to the fact that there have been many marriages involving individuals from Asia in the past. Therefore, the responsibility for explaining the application lies solely with you. It is essential to fully understand this. And keep in mind that you must provide proof. Even if you are applying on your own, I think it's better not to take the process lightly and to proceed with care. Just because you are both truly a couple, if you neglect the documents you need to submit, it can easily lead to a denial of your application, so caution is necessary. The examination itself typically takes about 1 to 3 months. If your application is denied and you need to reapply, it can significantly impact your future plans as a couple, especially if you are moving from abroad, so extra caution is required. At Samurai Administrative Scrivener Corporation, we have a solid understanding of how to demonstrate the credibility of documents based on our extensive past achievements. We can assess what materials are necessary for obtaining approval. Our initial consultations are free. So please feel free to make a reservation via phone or our website. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.